Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher lower spray arm. It's going to be a very easy repair. It'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lower spray arm. The lower spray arm sprays the water on the dishes to get them clean. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we have to remove the lower rack. All you have to do is pull it out, lift it off, and set it aside. To get the lower spray arm off, we just have to unscrew it from the base. It may be on there a little bit tight, so we're going to get onto one of these ridges with a dowel and tap on it with a hammer to break it free. Once you have it loose, you can just reach in and unscrew it with your hand. Once you have it unscrewed, you can lift the lower spray arm out of the dishwasher. Here's the old lower spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new lower spray arm in, you just have to set it down onto the base and screw it in. You want to make sure you get it on there tight so we get a good seal. So we're going to grab the hammer and the dowel again and tap it down until it's tight. Once you have it tightened down so it won't go any farther, you can put the lower dish rack back in. To put the rack back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into the dishwasher. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.